Hello, welcome back to Katina Willis TV. Today I got 3 side hustles that just might turn into full-time gigs. Stay tuned. All right, thanks for returning. And before we get started, press that like button. This way it helps the YouTube algorithm to share the information with more people who are searching for topics like this. All right, so let's get right to it. Why did I choose the 3 topics that I chose as great side hustles? Well, all 3 of these careers I have tried myself, started as a side hustle, but became obsessed with the careers that I started to leave my full-time gig. I started to slowly turn my full-time gig into a half-time, part-time, 50% kind of effort, and I started to put in 110% into these. So let's get right to the first one. All right, my first love, real estate. All right, so a real estate career can open so many doors. Okay, so if anybody is looking for a great side hustle, I always recommend become a realtor. Why not? Some of the benefits of becoming a realtor, you get to meet lots of interesting people from all over the world, especially if you are in the investor market or the luxury market, okay? So that is one of the biggest benefits and one of the things that I enjoy the most about being a realtor. All right, so that is a reason I would recommend becoming a realtor as a great side hustle that might turn into a full-time gig. All right, let's get to number 2. Number 2, becoming a real estate investor. All right, so when you are a realtor, 9 out of 10, you will come in access with some great deals. If you are an active realtor, a full-time realtor, you are going to eventually come into a situation where somebody tells you, hey, I have this property, I need to get rid of it tomorrow. All right, so that is where opportunity exists. Okay, so you could be a real estate investor and do the wholesaling strategy and wholesale the property to one of your investors, one of your full-time investors, or your fix and flippers, or you could buy the property yourself, fix it up, rent it out, and start to get passive income. All right, last but not least, my third side hustle, my third recommended side hustle that just might turn into a full-time gig is becoming a business loan agent. All right, so business loan agents, this is a very popular career to get into at this time, and the reason is because a lot of fintech companies are opening, and fintech means financial technology. Fintech enables businesses to give and offer business loans to people, and they can receive those funds fairly quickly. I'm talking about 100 times faster than you would get it from the bank. All right, so the process is not lengthy like it would be at a bank, and you don't need all the documentation that you would need at a bank. And so a lot of times some of these fintech companies can turn that loan around for you within, let's say, 7 days. Okay, you can actually get a business loan or business funding up to $2 million within 7 days. So that should have been my number 1, but that is my third recommended side hustle that just might turn into a full-time gig. If you have learned or heard anything so far that you liked about this video, go ahead and leave a comment below. Any questions you have about becoming a realtor, becoming a real estate investor, or becoming a business loan agent, please don't hesitate to leave the comment below. All right, that's it for today. So 3 side hustles that just might turn into a full-time gig. Number 1 was a realtor. Number 2 was a real estate investor. And number 3 was a business loan agent. So if you want to hear more content like this, go ahead and head over to Instagram. Connect with me there because I'm posting every single day on Instagram. So go ahead. My name on Instagram is Katina the Broker. All right. And That's it. I'm out. That's it for me today. So it's Katina Willis. I'm always closing loans or real estate. And I will see you next time.